Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Asana for team management. So let's have a look now. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps team organize tasks, collaborate effectively, and track project progress. Here's a guide on how to use Asana for team management. Create an Asana account by signing up on their website. After logging in, create a workspace for your team. Workspace can represent departments, project, or the entire company. Inside your workspace, create project to organize tasks. Projects can represent different initiatives, campaigns, or categories. Add tasks to this project, breaking down work into manageable units. Tasks can have descriptions, due dates, assignments, and attachments. Use sections or columns within project to organize tasks by status, priority, or stages. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates to track progress and responsibilities. Utilize task comments to communicate within a specific task. Mention team members using @ to notify them. Attach relevant files, documents, or links directly to task for easy access. Asana offers calendar and timeline view to visualize tasks and deadlines. Calendar view shows tasks with due dates, while timeline view offers a chart-like display of task dependencies and timelines. Use Asana's progress tracking feature like task completion, due date tracking, and project status updates to monitor progress. Consider using custom fields, text or labels or further categories, task or add a specific information. Asana integrates with many other and apps. Use these integrations to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Regularly review project status, update tasks, and adjust plan as needed. This ensures everyone stays on the same page and progress aligns with goals. Train your team on how to effectively use Asana. Establish best practice and guidelines for consistent uses across the team or organization. Encourage team members to provide feedback on using Asana. Use this feedback to improve process and optimize workflow within the tool. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.